Hello everyone, I'm Manoj. Welcome to my channel. So I'm trying something different from today. As you can see, I'm vlogging as I'm driving my bike. So I'll pretty much tell you the idea behind what I'm trying to do. I'll continue to do the short videos. I will try to continue to do the short videos, but the problem with short videos for me was trying to kind of compress whatever I wanted to tell in a 30-second video. Or I think YouTube has a longer duration allowed now. I think around 3 minutes. So trying to compose that is kind of filtering out a lot of my thought process. The idea is to make these videos that also has those thought process included. So that's one of the reason behind this. And while you enjoy the content, let's say whatever discussion or things that we are going to talk about, say be it general events that's going on in this world, or if you have something or any specific topic that you want me to talk about, you can obviously leave it in the comments. So while we talk about it, we can also enjoy this beautiful traffic of Bangalore. That way we have something nice to watch along with some interesting things to talk about. This is very new to me. I'm straight to production today. That means I just got the camera, somehow figured out how to connect everything from various YouTube videos. Thanks to this wonderful community who put out these so that somebody can just open the box and go live to shooting content. I'm a little worried though. I got this camera. I'll talk about the gear. I'm not sure how interesting that's gonna be, but yeah, I'll talk about the gear. But I'm just worried that the lens it's a very new camera, so maybe that's a how do I put it, garbage. So that's I think natural thing to have when you have something brand new, that you have the fear of that getting broken. Anyways, I think my thoughts are not channelized, so let me put things together. So what we'll be doing is we'll continue shooting while I give a voiceover of various things that's going on in my mind. If you feel that to be interesting and if you want to catch up, please stay, watch. Let's discuss various stuff. While I do it, I'm trying to make sure to follow traffic rules as much as possible to the maximum extent. So the main reason being, I also want to see how much of a difference that it makes, that just by following traffic rules, will I be late to office. I might be following a bit of a cheat code here. I'm starting around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when there is not much of a traffic, but still when there is traffic also, let's see, maybe while I'm coming back there will be a good amount of traffic. So yeah, so that's pretty much I'm trying to do. While we travel, while we shoot these videos, if we see anybody following traffic rules, if we see anybody driving with how do I put it, in a decent way, in a good way, where they don't bother others, that I will be rewarding is not the right thing. Maybe we can give them some kind of a points, something that's very famous these days called Aura. So let's give aura points to everybody who follow traffic rules. See something like this, gentlemen, right? You can see they're on a scooty, both of them wearing helmet. Not ISI though, but yeah, something is better than nothing compared to people who don't wear it at all. They're at least wearing helmets. So we'll give aura score. We'll give aura points to people like those. So congratulations to them. While we drive to office, we'll notice many such people. And yeah, so this gentleman is talking over phone. I think he's used to tilting his neck. So yeah, I'll be talking about this commentary as well. So basically, when I'm driving every day, there are a lot of things that goes on in my mind. There is no proper place to document them. I can't take notes, so I'll record them as well. So yeah, if you're interested in that banter as well, let me know how you want to. Let me know if you want to. Never mind. So as I was saying, okay, the gear I'm using is DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera that I'm shooting these videos from, and looks like the audio doesn't record on this camera from all the videos that I have watched. So I got a mic as well, DJI Mic Mini, I think. So yeah, I have got these two. And then the good old Google Maps navigation system. I have this habit of having Google Maps on, even though I know the route. I think many of you might even relate it to. So the main reason I also use it along with navigation is to know the traffic, because I know a couple of different routes to go to office. It kind of helps my decision making, makes it a bit easier. Yeah. So the bike I'm on is a Himalayan 411 Scram. It's been almost 2 years now. I think it will be 2 years in a month. This is my first two-wheeler I ever got, first vehicle I ever got. So it was not an easy choice, it was not an easy decision. But once I started driving this bike, it's pretty comfortable in the traffic, very easy to maneuver. It's big, but not very big that I have to turn it like a car or something. So what all topics I have in my mind to talk about while doing this vlogging is, of course, life. I have quite a lot of thoughts about life. I'm around 35-year-old now, so I have seen best case of 100 years. I've already seen 1/3 of life. So I have some opinions formed. I think I'll put it out. So about life, definitely about everything connected to life, say movies, any new technology that comes up, artificial intelligence. Definitely, I'm feeling a bit difficult to talk in this helmet. Actually, everything is brand new, so helmet is supposed to fit. How do I say? It has to fit a bit tight. You should not have any wiggle when you shake your head. So the helmet is a bit tight, so it is kind of pressing my cheeks. So I'm feeling it a bit different to talk. So apologies for that. So yeah, we'll be talking about life, say movies, technology, AI. I'm into software, so maybe sometime I can talk about that as well. If any students are there, if you have any queries, yeah, please feel free to drop in the comments. The traffic is pretty okay. I have a meeting. I don't know if I'll be able to reach on time. I've started quite early. That meeting is at 2. So yeah, I think the ETA is around 1:15. So as I said, I'll be trying to following all the rules. As I said, I'll be trying to follow all the rules. Yeah, sometimes English ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. I'll try to talk in English as slow as possible. The reason being, I also want to try and have the language that majority of them speak in software world, or if you want to do businesses outside of India. In between, there are certain things that sound good only in our regional native languages. So language no barrier. We'll try to speak what goes on in mind in whichever language seems better. So yeah, I am stuck in bit of a traffic jam. This shooting of daily office travel also serves one benefit. It also serves the dual purpose of having a backup in case somebody rams into me. Me ramming into somebody is nearly impossible because I don't speed much. So yeah, this is kind of a safety gear for me. So yeah, as I said, the helmet is new. It's not like bragging, just that I wanted to try something new, something useful for me as well as people watching the videos. As I said, short videos I will try to put them back. Thanks to I think around 154 subscribers, if I remember properly. I am pretty sure that all these subscribers are definitely my friends, relatives, my first circle who are trying to support what I'm doing. I would like more people to join the tribe. I'm trying to build something positive, a positive space where we kind of try to look at things positively. I kind of feel that we tend to make things complicated pretty easily and fast. Life doesn't have to be so complicated. I think I have this on mind to talk about life being too complicated. Many people talking about life being complicated. I just feel we tend to make it complicated. It's pretty simple according to me. We'll talk in depth about it. I think one of the days, maybe while coming back from office. I came so straight to production, that is using this camera straight to shooting. Luckily it has some internal storage, I think around 47 GB or something. So I just kind of fit everything and I started talking. So if there is enough space available, I'll try to shoot when I'm back, trying to come back home. Maybe we'll talk about it that time. Yeah, we'll go deeper. So I just wanted to keep this first video simple, and I have some thing on my mind, a structure on how to do it. I'll start off with some daily banter, maybe based on my mood, how I'm feeling that day. The video would start. I will give a bookmark or a duration chapter kind of a thing where you can directly jump to the topic that I want to talk that day. If you don't know, if you don't want to listen to my banter, that's totally understandable. So yeah, that we will explore. Okay, I took this internal road, hoping the traffic would be easier and better here. There is going to be one signal on the way. Life is just interesting, right? So there are a lot of stuff going on. Tuitions, delivery people, some people getting groceries. Nice. We'll talk about auto people one day. I have a lot of thoughts around auto. This being my first video, it's like I don't have any creator block. It's more like I have so many things to talk about. I just need to channelize so that I don't lose track and jump between topics. So I need to focus, and also don't mind if I have a lot of blank spaces in between. This is kind of new for me. I'm trying to have my 100% focus on driving safely for me as well as others. So in case I become blank in between, it's purely because of me focusing on driving. That is my 100% priority. Okay, there's a green signal. Let's go. Okay. Frankly speaking, I didn't know that whether I'll start recording today. The gear came on Monday. I bought from a website that I don't usually order from. Not usually, I've never ordered from. I was not sure if I should be ordering from that website or not. I don't know what came on me around night 11:30, I think. I just started ordering back to back. So the idea initially was to get one camera that I could use to vlog my daughter's cute moments. So the thing is, these kids are so energetic, and they're also camera conscious, I believe. So as soon as we take the camera out to shoot her when she's doing all her cute things, she tend to get conscious and she doesn't do it. So I purchased one Instago 3S to see if that works out. The idea being simple, that vlog her all cute things so that she can look back sometime in the future, playing with all of us. Kind of a memory bank. So yeah, I was trying to shop for that, trying to see various models, what looks good, what does not look good, and then zeroed in on Instago 3S. But while doing that, I got this recommendation of mini action cams, and this particular camera that I'm using right now is currently the best as of today. So I just ordered, and I had this hesitation that who will listen to this random banter. But then I thought, chuck it, just post, at least for myself, if not for anybody else. I have some sort of a goldfish memory. So what does that mean is sometimes I do forget what I had for breakfast. So in school, teachers used to ask, where is your homework? Obviously, for the reasons that I had not done the homework, I used to say, homework marto itu. I forgot homework at home. So the immediate question used to be, did you forget to bring your lunchbox? So I don't think I ever forgot to bring lunchbox to school. But I have forgotten to take lunchbox back home. So yeah, then I should have said 50% of the time yes. Anyways, where was I? Yeah. So the goldfish memory part. I tend to forget what I had for breakfast. So when I'm forgetting that, now when I look back in my 35 years of life, I don't remember much of it. Maybe here and there. This memory is a very funny thing. So we all think memory is something that we remember. It's a remembrance of an incident that happened. But there's an interesting study as well about it. That memory is literally a storage disk of various things that our eyes and brain have recorded, and over time they have been edited, right? Based on various experiences, based on how we mature in life, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm again switching between content. Okay, so I have this kind of a goldfish memory. Okay, somebody is in a hurry, let them go. Okay. They kind of made me forget what I was talking because of all the honking. Okay, anyways, yeah, so I was thinking, if I document this like twice a day, right? Maybe a quick summary of what I'm going through, and then something that I want to talk about. I should have taken the service road. No worries. So somehow the right posture is also not comfortable today. So yeah, so a quick summary of what I was thinking and what is the state of mind that day, and some topics that I want to talk about. I'm kind of documenting my memory, so that if I want to look back anytime, then I'll have some place to look at. And YouTube anyways has these controls of privacy. So I don't know. Yeah, I just started recording. Yeah, not very comfortable, but I'm still doing it. Not very comfortable in the sense of this is new. I think there is something wrong with the bike seat. It's kind of making me feel very uncomfortable to ride at. I think this is better. Let's see. So that's the whole point. That's the Agra Lake Park. Agra Kare. I don't know if this camera can capture it. So yeah, I need to come someday. Obviously with wife and daughter. This is one cool new feature that Google Maps has brought. Earlier it just used to show a blue line going over a road, and it was quite confusing. Now it clearly says take flyover. That is such a cool thing, right? It is making your life easy. Take flyover. So this is nice God statue that comes every day when I'm going to office. It's a nice view. Yeah. Yeah, so Google Maps, it kind of is a cool feature to avoid a lot of confusion. So yeah, what I'm processing is there seems to be a lot of traffic ahead. I'll try to take the service road. So I have a couple of stuff hanging today on the handle. They're not heavy. It's my lunch bag. And I joined a new company recently. So I've been working from home for almost 4 years, I think 5 years, yeah. I think since COVID started. It was work from home. So I had a good setup at home with all ergonomic and stuff taken care. I used to have no bro. So I used to have bit of neck pain because of I don't know long sitting hours, working hours, not getting up. I'm saying not waking up. So not getting up for a proper exercise. So that kind of, as we age, that kind of leads to some joint pains and stuff like that. So at least if we have ergonomic setup, at least some part of it is taken care. I won't say it will solve 50% of the problems. It will solve 10-20% of the problems only. There is no replacement to be waking up and more. I keep saying waking up, man. So yeah, there is no alternative to we getting up and moving around. No matter how ergonomically good the chair is, it's always good to get up and move around. You see there I didn't use wake up. So yeah, get up and move around every 15 minutes. That kind of improves the blood circulation in the legs and stuff like that. I think all of this is there on internet, but yeah, I'm just recalling what I've watched and read. I'm trying to follow them as well. The most important of them all was to have good amount of water, drink good amount of water. I'm also thinking how much of this video is actually getting recorded. I don't even know if this video is getting recorded right now. So because I even paired the mic and I just started to office without a memory card. So I put this on 4K just to test it out, how the output is going to be and how stuff is going to be. So hopefully all this is getting recorded. This being impromptu and not following any script kind of makes it unique for me, because even if I want to redo all of this, like whatever I've shot till now, whatever I've spoken, everything is going to be different because the script is not there, everything is on the fly, and the traffic is not going to be the same. I may not use the same route. So this kind of is exciting for me. Hope watching these videos also be as exciting for you as well. Auto. We'll talk about auto one day, right? Let's dedicate the episode for autos. Interesting. I don't know. It has to be invention, right? Discovery is like something that is already there and somebody figures it out. Invention is something that people come up with newly. So yeah, autos, very innovative thing, very interesting vehicle on the road. Oh. I forgot to tell what I'm planning to call this. I'm planning to call this series, which I hope is going to go for a long time. So I gave it a name, Life on the Road. Mainly because we'll be discussing a lot of stuff about life and everything else on the road. So, interesting name, right? I wanted to call it Life on the Road. We'll take a left here. This is an interesting road. Let me show you. Google Maps shows straight. See, I use Google Maps as a tool, right? So, good, it shows the way. But if I want to use some other way, I take the other route. I don't want to be in control of anybody, right? Be it Google Map as well. Google Map tries to control a lot of people. Constantly giving instructions, huh? You take left, take right, go straight. So instead, it's good to be used as a tool. So what does Google Map want to do? Does it want to take left or right? And then I can decide what to do. I brought you here to show this interesting road which runs parallel to the main road. Sure, go ahead. So you can see the difference between the main road and this parallel road. The number of vehicles that were stalled on the main road and the condition of the road versus this road, right? This is an internal road. I don't know the road name. I'm very bad at it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, interesting road. So saved us 2 minutes. I have something going on in my mind. When I said saved us 2 minutes, we'll talk about time someday. But today, how do you measure traffic? I just said we saved 2 minutes. So, what is the right measure of traffic? When you call somebody and you ask them, how is the traffic? What do you expect them to say? Traffic is bad or not that bad today, or it's okay. So how do you define this bad, that bad, or okay? Right? I think we really need to come up with some kind of a metric system for traffic that can be standardized. I'm not a great scientist, but yeah, thinking out loud. So when I said save 2 minutes, or when it says takes 11 minutes to reach the destination, how can we measure, right? So how is the traffic? And somebody can say Google Map is showing red. Or it takes 10 minutes, it takes 20 minutes, the usual route. That's a good way to represent traffic. I think SI unit for traffic should be minutes per kilometer. How many minutes is it going to take to travel 1 kilometer in that particular road? That's an interesting way, right? Look at it. Say, for example, for ease of calculation, let us say this is 12 minutes for 4 kilometers. So if it is going to take me 12 minutes for 4 kilometers, that's around 3 minutes per kilometer. So when somebody asks, how bad is the traffic? We can say it is 3 minutes per kilometer. Like 3 rupees per kg. So 3 rupees. Oh, I don't know where this insect came from. 3 rupees per kilometer. Sorry, 3 minutes per kilometer is a good SI unit for traffic. We should standardize this. See, this is why I want to vlog, right? Some interesting stuff comes and then it's lost. I might remember when I go to office today and share with friends or whatever, and then after that I think it's just lost. Now see, I've recorded it. Hopefully the camera has recorded it. Oh man, this dependence on technology. Just fresh point. Oh, I just read out the shop name. I was bored. I'm talking to you guys. I'm recording, I'm driving, and then I felt bored. So they did not sponsor this video. I just read it out. Toxic pub and kitchen. Interestingly, yeah, I think I have a sponsor. This video has been sponsored by Initial Styled Kids Clothing Wear. I will add the website in the description. They sell kids clothing from ages 0 to 10 years. There are quite good designs you can choose from. I think they're adding more. So yeah, shout out to Initial Styled. The website is initialstyle.com. They have their merchandise on Flipkart and Amazon as well. Okay, done. Shout out to the sponsor. Done. Benz, man. Such an interesting thing, right? There is a Benz, there is a Hyundai, there is an Auto. Each of them belonging to a different price range. I don't even know how much this costs. Maybe 50 lakhs? I don't know. And there is a Hyundai and there is an Auto. I don't know even how much an Auto costs. Maybe Hyundai, I can take a guess, 8 lakhs or 10 maybe, I'm not sure. So the interesting thing is all three of them are using the same road. So it's just that how costly of a vehicle you want to ride on the same road. What does that mean? I don't know. Funny, my brain. This is an interesting way to put advertisements. So many cars pass by and you have this ad all the time. I don't know how much of distraction that can be, but great place to put your ad, right? And real estate in Bangalore has become quite costly. Oh, here is the traffic jam. So the beginning of the video, I said I am using a bit of a cheat code that I'm starting at around 12 o'clock. That avoided a lot of traffic in the initial part of this drive. Right. Somehow I got caught here. Another 7 minutes. You guys have to bear with me. Elma Suits executive rooms. So things like this are so subjective. Like how we came up with a SI unit for traffic. We should also come up with a SI unit for these things, right? Executive, deluxe, super deluxe, suite. So these things, I don't know how you quantitative this, quantify these things. Yeah, quantify is a good word. Quantify these things. So if I say I need 1 kg of rice, I go to any shop, I get 1 kg of rice. It will be of the same quantity. But if I go to one hotel and they say it's a deluxe room, if I go to another hotel and they say it's a deluxe room, is this deluxe and that deluxe same deluxe? Nice. We'll see. We'll figure out some SI unit for that as well. Nice. Dalchini. Oh, nice to see so many people wearing helmets. Interesting backpack, right? Spider-Man backpack. I want to buy a good bag, man. One laptop bag which can house my laptop safely, along with that keyboard and mouse, and including my lunch bag if possible. I'm not able to find a good laptop backpack. On Amazon, there are a lot of options, but there is always something missing, right? I'm paying 3,500, 4,000 rupees for a bag, and when it arrives, it's more likely supposed to have all the features in. So it has waterproof, it is spacious and all that, but there was no support for my laptop in the bottom, right? There was no cushioning. That was not good. There should be laptop cushioning in the bottom as well, It's not just the sides and the front and the back. See, the reason being, your laptop is not supposed to be handled by you only all the time, but there are times when you don't handle it. Say for example, you have kept it in your home and the maid puts it down to clean something. In case it slips her hand, it's going to fall and the laptop is going to get hurt, man. The laptop getting hurt might lead to our pockets getting hurt. That's why I'm looking for a good laptop backpack. If you have any recommendations, drop the link below. I would be very happy to take a look and buy it if I like it. Oh, what did I do just now? It's pretty hot today, so good test for the camera as well, if it can capture in such hot conditions. Bangalore is not hot. I should not say Bangalore is a hot condition place. Once in a while only there is going to be a bit of sunny. Otherwise it's generally cool. I should try this out in some hot weather places sometime. Ather is a very good brand. I like Ather. And mine is a Royal Enfield. This entire region is filled with tech parks, offices. Mine also coming soon. So maybe another 2 minutes of content in this video. After editing, I don't know if it is going to be less than 2 minutes. So yeah, this was a good first, my first vlog video. I think I have the exact shirt. Max maybe. So yeah, me and my goldfish thing. I lost focus. So yeah, good first vlog. I'm gonna put more. We'll talk about a lot of things while I give you nice traffic videos. So see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing, do consider subscribing. That kind of makes me happy. Yeah, thank you, bye. Wait, let me say bye in my daughter's style. Okay, bye.